Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best free driver updater tools for Windows to help you keep your PC running smoothly with the latest drivers. Now let's get started. Number 1, Mini-Tool Partition Wizard Free. This tool includes a driver update feature along with disk management options, making it useful for improving system performance and stability. It scans your computer for outdated drivers and helps install compatible versions safely. Number 2, Garted. This is a lightweight utility mainly known for disk partition management, but also helps ensure system components work correctly after updates. It is usually run from a bootable USB or live environment, making it helpful when Windows tools fail. Number 3, AMEI Partition Assistant Standard. This software offers disk tools and helps maintain system health, which indirectly supports correct driver functioning. It is commonly installed on the main Windows drive and used for optimization tasks. Keeping your system optimized is important so drivers can work without conflicts. Number 4, EaseUS Partition Master Free Edition. This popular tool provides partition management and system optimization features that help Windows recognize hardware properly. It is located within your installed programs and is easy for beginners to use. This is important because proper hardware detection ensures drivers install and update correctly. Number 5, Paragon Partition Manager. This tool helps organize storage and maintain system structure, so driver updates do not cause errors. It is often used before major updates to prevent data issues and improve compatibility. A stable system environment allows drivers to function reliably. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.